hi! As what we have promised, this is the finished product. So, of course, there's more in the caldero, but this one is here. So, this is the chicken arroz caldo with egg. And that one is roasted garlic. And it smells so good and it tastes really good. So anyways, so by the way, I just want to mention it to you. Habi said you can put or you can add some ginger if you want. So here at home, I'm not really crazy about ginger in arroz caldo. So but again, you can add ginger in arroz caldo. So the one that it's a little brownish to blackish is roasted garlic. So that's chicken and hard-boiled egg. I can't wait to eat now. So thank you, Lord. God bless everyone. Thank you, Heart, for the yummy dinner. It's advance happy Father's Day to you as well. And happy Father's Day, Papa Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Happy weekend. And please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Like and also make a comment below if you have time. And also share if you want. Thank you. And God bless everyone. Take care. Happy weekend.